আপনার প্রস্তুতি চলে মতো।
My dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. You know that our new session for class 8 started 1st January 2021. So students, your examination will be held this year, no doubt at all. Our government has declared that this year you will face your junior scholarship exam. So you should read your text regularly at best. So dear students, now I am discussing about your text. You know that English is a compulsory subject for you. So every day you should practice for 1 hour. You know that in your question paper you will get there 4 parts. That means part A, part B, part C and part D. Part A, scene part. There will be 20 marks for that purpose. And now I am discussing about scene part, scene comprehension. In your question paper you will get 3 types of question there. Number 1, MCQ. MCQ, that means M means multiple, C means choice and Q means questions. MCQ means multiple choice questions. So you will get there 7 questions and you should answer all these questions. When you will perform all these questions thoroughly, then you will hope to get full marks. Otherwise you will not get the full marks. Of course, at best every students try to get all marks. This will depend on your study level. You will practice at your home every day. So I hope you will get full marks. MCQ from your scene comprehension. You know that English textbook there are many texts here. Suppose now I am reading a text for you. This is for you the scene comprehension from the text. So now I am reading the text. I hope you will listen to me attentively. This is from Unit 1, Lesson 2. Unit 1, Lesson 2. Unit 1, lesson 2. That means I am reading the text in comprehension. Nakshi Katha. Nakshi Katha is a kind of embroidered quilt. The name was taken from the Bengali word Naksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. So students, this is your scene comprehension. From the scene comprehension, there are 3 types of questions on your question paper you will get. And number 1, this is MCQ. Number 2, questions. Number 3, gap filling. Students, in your question paper MCQ, there will be only 7 MCQ and 1 number for each alternative. And question number 2, there you should try only there are 4 questions, and for each question you will get only 2 marks and total marks 8. And number 3, you will get there a gap. In your gap there are 5 alternatives. For every gap you will get only 1 mark. Of course, this passage is another passage. Of course, this is called scene passage. You will get 5 marks to fill all the gaps. This is another passage. MCQ and question. This is for 1 passage, and number 3, when you will perform number 3 gap filling, this is another passage. The another passage, that means now I am showing you another passage. Suppose there will be a unit 1, lesson 1. Folk songs are songs sung in the traditional style of a community or country. Here the number 1A gap, this is gap style includes the themes, words, and B, this is dash. In this way we will get in your question paper. So don't worry, no doubt at all, you will get there. When you will perform all these 5 alternatives, so then you will hope that you will get full marks from the question number 3. Otherwise, we will not get. So students, I hope you will study at your home regularly. I hope you will study at your home for 1 hour every day for English. When you will prepare 1 hour for English, I hope you will get the marks when you will hope that, and your guardian will hope that. Our schools hope that you will be passed in the exam. Your guardian will hope that you will pass in the exam. So we hope that you will pass in the exam. So everybody will hope you that you will pass in the exam. So at minimum level, I hope you will get 33 marks. This is the enough for you, and I hope this is enough for me. My students will get 33 marks. This is enough. I hope our students will pass in 100% level. So this is the very good for our school, our guardians and me. So students, don't worry. I hope you will stay at your home. So safe, healthy and safe and hygienic. You will throw your passing way in a hygienic way. Don't go out without wearing any masks. Every 1 hour you will make your hand wash with soap. So don't worry, be safe and healthy. See you next time. Thank you all.